Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install cron jobs on Linux VPS for automated tasks. Complete guide step by step clearly. To install cron jobs on a Linux VPS for automated tasks, start by accessing your server via SSH. Use a terminal application and enter the SSH command followed by your username and server IP address. For example, type SSH username at your server IP and press enter. Once connected, update your package list to ensure you have the latest software versions. Run the command sudo apt update on Debian-based systems or sudo yum update on Red Hat-based systems. Next, open the crontab file by typing crontab e. If it's your first time opening crontab, you might be asked to choose an editor. Select your preferred text editor and hit enter. You will now see an empty crontab file ready for you to add new cron jobs. To define a cron job, use the following format: *********. The format includes minute, hour, day of the month, and day of the week. For example, to run a script every day at 2 a.m., type 02 ******/ path / your /script.sh. Ensure the script has executable permissions by running chmod +x / path / your /script.sh. To verify that your cron job is set up correctly, save and exit the editor. You can view all your scheduled cron jobs at any time by typing crontab L. If you need to remove a cron job, simply open crontab again with crontab E, delete the corresponding line, and save your changes. To ensure your cron jobs run smoothly, check the cron logs by looking at /var/log/syslog or /var/log/cron. This can help you troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Consider setting up email notifications for your cron jobs by adding mail to equals your-email@example.com at the top of your crontab file. Now, your Linux VPS is ready for automated task execution with cron jobs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.